Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant. We could not install a required dependency error on your Windows. So for this guys, first method, just you right click on your taskbar and select the task manager. Find here Windows Explorer. Right click on Windows Explorer, select the restart and close this. Next method number 2, go to your start menu, type here command prompt, right click here and select the run as administrator. Type here first command ipconfig space / release and hit enter on your keyboard. Type the ipconfig space / plus DNS and hit enter. Next, ipconfig space / renew. Press the enter. Type the command netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Next, netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. And the last command sfc space / scan now and press enter. You need to wait here guys for complete this verification process for complete the 100%, and after you close your command prompt. Next method number 4, you open the browser, press the Ctrl Shift and Delete. Ctrl Shift and Delete. Two options here, basic and advanced. Select the basic option, select the time range and check the contents like this and select the clear data. Once again press the Ctrl Shift and Delete. Now go to advanced, select the time range, select the contents like, select the clear data. Now go to 3 dots, go to help, select about Google Chrome. You just select, it will automatically update. Next method number 5, you update your drivers. Go to start menu, type here device manager and open this device manager control panel. You update the all drivers like this, extend the display adapter, right click on driver and select the update driver. Two options here, first one search automatically for update driver software and the second one browse my computer for driver software. You select this first one, wait for update this driver, and if not update your driver, you try the second option, right click and select update driver, select browse my computer for driver software. Select the let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver like this and select the next. Same guys, you update your all drivers and close the device manager. Next, method number 6, you update your Windows 10. Open the browser, you type in the search box, download Windows 10. Open this first font link, download Windows 10 disk image. Select the first one, update now and complete this process. And after you restart your PC, hopefully it will fix your issue. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.